to sun salutation. If you're doing it straight away, I would recommend you first of all do a little bit of the warm up. Hey, welcome to this video. Let's look at the warm up. How we're going to do this. Okay, so let's open up the body. So before you begin, let's open up the body. When you do the warm up, little bit of the warm up before you begin the practice of yoga. Okay, and relax a little bit now. Now, first of all, take your head, take one hand here, look at on the other side, one, and bring it down. Two, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, down. Three, down. So you do it 3 to 4 times. Then inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Do 2 to 3 times. After that, you can roll your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Release all stuck energy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. Roll your shoulder forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Come back. Okay, now after that, open up the feet little bit and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then do 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now join both the feet together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then relax. And then you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open up the joint a little bit because the main joints are the shoulder joint and the hip joints. These joints need to be opened up. And now, once you have done this, then you can take both the hands and just open it. Open, close, faster. Open, close, open, close. Okay, now keep them and put a thumb inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now take both the hands and just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, come back. Okay, and let's do the jumping little bit. Open up the body, okay? All right, good. So once you have done it, after that you are ready to go to the sun salutation. So make sure you do some kind of warm-up before that. Warm-up is important because if you don't do the warm-up, then your muscles may get stretched, they can strain, they get sore, and it is important that you may get injury. So warm-up is important.